Hey everyone, it's Amanda from Crystal Coast Originals. Thank you so much for joining me today. Before we get to the video, I wanted to show you guys the dried results of the painting that you're going to see in the video today. Now I will say I'm not 100% happy with these colors. In my mind, they were going to be more pastel, kind of a lighter shades. I used kind of a few kind of orangey-coral colors, and I also used gray. And I thought it was going to be more of like a really light coral pastel and a really light gray, and it turned out to be a little bit darker than what I was going for. But that being said, I really do like the composition. I think that's really cool. I will show it to you guys here. It is a 12 by 24 inch canvas, and as you can see, I really like the half and half. I tried to kind of keep the gray on one side and then the orangey corals on the other side. And I really, really like that idea. I just don't think I really like these colors. I think I'm going to do another one very similar to this and maybe do like a tan and a blue. Therefore, it might look a little bit more complementary to each other. But that being said, I really do like the composition. I think it's a cool idea to kind of do the half and half. And you guys will see, I changed up the line a little bit. This kind of like line that we have going through here. I tried to change it up a little bit, you know, because you always want to experiment, try new things, try different compositions, see what works. Some things work, some things don't. So I wanted you guys to see that, and as usual, the formula that I used as well as the colors will be listed in the description box, so please don't forget to check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.